Hello, hi, this is Sumant. In this video, I'm going to explain web programming mobile application. So here we need to do pizza ordering app. So for that, we need to create on the main page two buttons, order and summary, and two toppings. And when we click the summary, we get the details of the order, what we have done. And when we click the go to order, it should navigate to the first page. So let me show you the app. So I have already run the app. So do it again. So this is the main page we can see here. Uh, First, let me show how it's working. So we enter the name here, and if we select the toppings, whatever we want, and a quantity here. So I'm keeping the two. So when I click the order, so we can send it to email. So it will directly navigate to the email whichever we are sending. It will send complete summary of the order. So we can click this to send an email. So and if you want to check the order, what we have done, we can click on the summary, and we can see here our name and everything, quantity and the total price calculated based on the toppings whatever we select. And if we go back to orders, it will navigate to the front page again. So that's it for this functionality, and let me show you the code. So this is the home page, JavaScript. So here we can see, here we are getting find view by ID, whatever we have given in XML. So this is the code for the send email. By checking all the details, it's calculating even the price, and it's getting the price over there. And down here, create order summary. So here we are giving the string and adding whatever we calculated and the details, whatever we have given input. So for this is for the increment and decrement for selecting the quantity I have shown. And this is about the home page and the summary page. Here we are getting summary ID. You can see summary page.xml. So here I'll show. Yeah, here it is text equal to summary. So from here it's getting the ID, and whatever the text we get, it's setting to that particular ID summary. And here we can see over there this button back to orders. Whenever we click, it's navigating to the front page by start activity redirect. So and XML design, we can see this is the home page, and summary also we can see design. Yeah, this is the image, and this is the summary. This is the summary where we are putting all the data. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.